Hello, everyone. Welcome to the AI Entrepreneurs YouTube channel. And if you have been following us on the newsletter, AI Entrepreneurs newsletter, the topic today I'm going to talk about probably is familiar to you already because we publish these kinds of stories in our newsletter. And today I'm going to talk about some exciting, I would say, trend that has come upon us in the last year or so. That's called vibe coding. So it's a no code, even if you don't know anything about code. All you know is, hey, I want this app. So there are tools out there that can develop a complete app for you without any knowledge of coding. So I'm going to walk you through today how you, anybody in this planet, I have not been doing much coding nowadays, but in the past I did. So I could do it. So I'm sure you could do it. So let's jump right into it. And by the way, this is Ramesh Dontha with the AI Entrepreneurs newsletter, community, and the YouTube channel. So welcome. So let's get going. So you could ship app store ready, right? Whether it is an iPhone user or Android user, whatever app store you want to use, app store ready, onboarding in an afternoon using a single image and Claude code inside Vibe code. So there are two things I talked about: Claude code inside Vibe code. So I'll walk you through step by step the Vibe code app that we used, which generates Claude that more than likely you're familiar with it, right? So it's a ChatGPT like, it's a competitor to OpenAI's ChatGPT. Claude specializes in producing code. It's from a company called Anthropic. So, I mean, Claude does lots of things, but it definitely lots of people are flocking to it because it generates better code, I should say. Okay. So, with that, so let's get into the Vibe Code app, and then you could generate an onboarding app which is ready to upload into the App Store. Okay. So, and then you don't need any Figma for screens, any design like that, no dev setup. You don't need any of that. So I hope I got you hooked onto doing this. So let's go through this. And this video shows how to create a clean onboarding flow with a looping background image or video plus optional audio using a simple Claude plus Vibe code workflow. Okay. So why are we focusing on onboarding? Onboarding is where the users decide whether to stay or leave, right? So onboarding is the very first step of whatever you're building, whether it's an app or a community, whatever that you're onboarding them. The onboarding has to be smooth, exciting, and refreshing. And that's why we just want to create one onboarding app. So really to get potential customers, prospects hooked onto whatever you're trying to, invite them to. If the first 10 or 15 seconds feel generic or unfinished, most users never see the rest of the app. So that's why the onboarding app is very important. A simple looping background with clear copy helps you set context quickly and make the app feel more polished and stand out from template based onboarding. So lots of people use lots of templates, step one, step two, step three. So, but something refreshing, something unique would get them, hooked onto your app and your business much better than other competing businesses. So here the goal is not a cinematic design, right? So you're not going for something ultra polished or cinematic design, but the goal is to create a clean first impression. That's what we're trying to accomplish. And then in the fastest possible way, right, with no expenses. So traditional onboarding, what happens is typically when you're doing an onboarding, so you have a Figma designs, right? So you have to get the UX screens and see how you're going to get them. And then you give the designs to the developer, and then static screens that you build. And then you have days or weeks to ship the app with the very iterative design of going back and forth. But this workflow, describe the app in plain language to the tool that we're using, and use one image, only one image as a visual base, and turn it into a loop and ship in hours. So we're talking about hours, one afternoon, right? Get it ready and ship it out. So who is this for? So it's for solo founders, somebody who doesn't have a huge team and definitely wants to do this app in a very inexpensive way, and are creators building small mobile apps, And if you want to create a MVP, minimum viable product, without a dev team, right? Something that just want to get it out and then show it to people and see how they react to it, get the concept out there. Or anyone using AI and no code tools ship faster, right? So there are discussions about debates about a solo entrepreneur, who could really completely build a business, right? So, and then for those people, this is the way to go. So, what will we be building today? It's a mobile app with onboarding screens, a looping background image or video. It could, you could pick whichever you want, or a text and buttons layered on top. Optional low volume background audio that you could insert into this onboarding looping video or this app. So, what do we need? Right? So, to create this magic, so the question on your mind is probably, what do I need? So what you need is Vibe Code app account. I'll show that to you in the video here. Vibe Code app. Okay. And one clear app idea. Whatever app that you want to build, just have an idea about that. But that is very important, right? I cannot give you the idea of what you want to build, that you have to come up with. And then one background image that reflects the app idea that you have. So first open a Vibe Code app and start a new project. And when you start a new project, basically the default code that's created by this Vibe Code app is a Claude code. So the Claude from Anthropic, that's what I mentioned. That's the code that is developed here. And now the next step is describe the app in plain language. So the example that we used in this video is build a mobile tea discovery app for tea lovers with onboarding, a home screen, a tea library, and favorites. So that's my prompt. That's it. A mobile tea discovery app for tea lovers with onboarding, a home screen, a tea library, and favorites. So that's all we want to give it to them. Okay. And then what Claude will do is create the screens, set up navigation, add basic interactions. At this point, the app should work, but look basic, right? It just be ready, but it's just very basic. So that's expected at this stage, in this first stage. The same approach also works for other ideas like a fitness coach app, with daily routines, or a journaling app with guided prompts, a language learning app, phrases and practices, whatever language you want to pick, right? So you could give those prompts and build an app for that. These are all different ideas that I'm just giving you here. And then now step 2 is generate a background image. Create one image to use behind the onboarding screens. For the tea app, the image should include a ceramic teacup, steam and soft lighting, neutral, warm colors, space for text. So something that you're seeing in the screen. So that is the image that we chose. And then for your app, you could create one image with different elements the way you want to see fit. And the process is generate 20 to 40 images, view them on your phone, pick one where text is easy to read. You only need one image, of course, right? So you don't need to use multiple images. You just want to create whatever image that you use, the tool to create it for you. And then turn the image into a loop. So create a short looping video from that image. How do you do it? Use the same image that you picked at the start and end, add a slow zoom or slight parallax, keeping the motion very minimal. So this avoids visible cuts and keeps attention on the UI. So now the next step is add the video in Vibe Code. So whatever video that you created, add it in the Vibe Code. Upload the looping video into Vibe Code. Use this instruction. Create an onboarding flow that plays this video in the background. So that is what we're going to tell Vibe Code, that create an onboarding flow that plays this video in the background. And Claude will attach the video, place text and buttons, create a testable onboarding flow. Now later on, you can manually adjust the copy, number of screens, and text contrast. All of those things you can manually adjust. So think of this as editing, but not engineering, right? It's just like editing a Word document, editing some document, just a number of screens, and cut and paste, and those kinds of things. The next step, step 5, is optional, adding images and background audio to onboarding, right? Whether you want to add more images, want to add audio is up to you. This step is to polish, not required to ship. If your onboarding already works, you can just stop at step 4. You don't need this optional step. Use this step only if you want the onboarding to feel more finished for users or demos or investors, or you want some music to go with app. And this is useful when you want onboarding to very polished. The same onboarding flow works with either a static background image or a looped video created from the image. In Vibe code, this does not require extra setup or code. You upload the asset, whether it's a video or the image, and describe what you want and adjust the layout manually. For audio, keep volume between 20 to 40%, not very high, and use ambient sound only. Default to muted if users may be onboarding in public, right? So basically, you'll select that it's a plays on mute, so there's no sound, especially for people who are playing it in public, and then they can choose to unmute it. And these are all the optional steps in the Vibe Code app. And then, so in summary, so Claude Code builds the app structure. One image becomes a looping background. Vibe Code assembles everything together to make the mobile app. And you control the copy and flow, which images you pick and how you want to pick, how you want to show them. You don't need to write code at all to ship this onboarding. And so that's what we got for you. And hopefully you enjoyed this. And if you have not already subscribed to our newsletter, the AI Entrepreneurs newsletter, the link is in the description. And of course, if you like this video, please like, and definitely you want to see more videos from us, subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment, right? So let us know. So with that, this is Ramesh Dontha signing off for the AI Entrepreneurs.